Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Thursday, June 28th. We're going to see an absolutely beautiful day today with just a very slight chance of a isolated shower this afternoon, and then we're going to be going into a pretty long stretch of some very warm and dry conditions through at least early next week. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we did see a warm front move across the area this morning that really didn't have any impact on the weather here at Wallops, except for shifting those winds more southwesterly and prompting that warm air mass that we're going to be seeing move through the area today, with the temperature in the upper 80s approaching 90 degrees expected, with some areas across the Delmarva seeing temperatures in the low to perhaps even mid 90s possible up in central locations. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop, we are seeing mostly clear skies out there this morning. Just a few upper level cirrus streams starting to stream in from the west this morning, and that is going to be the case throughout the day. Could be seeing we are going to be seeing just a few shallow cumulus clouds popping up in the late morning hours to early afternoon hours. Can't rule out a very slight chance of an isolated shower in the late afternoon, but right now that does look to be less than a 15% chance of that occurring. So as of 8:15 a.m., we were seeing just a few at 900 feet scattered cirrus deck at 25,000 feet. We were seeing wind at southwesterly 11 knots with a temperature of 80 degrees. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, we are going to be seeing southwesterly winds around 9 to 14 knots this morning, and then late this morning those winds are going to shift more westerly around 9 to 14 knots from the west-southwest. Remaining west-southwest through the afternoon hours, and then when we go into the overnight hours, those winds are going to weaken from the west around 3 to 8 knots before becoming west-northwesterly Friday morning at 3 to 8 knots, with 6 to 11 knots from the northwest by mid-morning Friday. We are going to be seeing a temperature near 89 degrees this afternoon with a mild low tomorrow morning of 74. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be just mainly seeing the scattered cirrus deck this morning. We will be seeing a few shallow cumulus clouds pop up as we go into the afternoon hours, and then possibly a few to a scattered deck near the 10,000 foot level as well. Can't rule out a very slight chance, less than 15% chance of a shower as we go into the mid to late afternoon hours. And then in this evening, we'll just be seeing a few clouds near between 3,000 and 6,000 feet, as well as the slight chance of just a few cirrus clouds as well as we go through the middle of the night and into Friday morning. Tides are still slightly above normal across the region. For the next couple of days, it is going to be dry and warm out there. Tomorrow we are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies with a high of 89. Friday night, going to be looking at partly cloudy to mostly clear skies as high pressure starts to really build in with some upper level ridging across the mid-Atlantic with another mild low of 74. And then Saturday does look like one of the warmest days in the extended outlook here, with a high of 92 expected as that ridge really ramps up across the region under partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.